Friends, now I am going to discuss about human cells. What are the cells? Cells are the smallest functional and structural unit of the all living things. This is called as a cells. Then what is the history of the cells? How these cells are discovered? Firstly, we know that in 1665, Robert Hooke scientists discovered that cells by observing the bark under the microscope. But he only observed the structure of that cells, so he discovered that cells are the non-living things. But then after some times, Lewin Hooke observed that observe that bark under his microscope, which his microscope is highly magnification. So he observed that cells having a structure, and also it works and also having a movement of that cells. So he discovered that cells are living things. Then we discuss about the structure of that human cells. We know that in all the cells there are three common features. In all cells structure there are three common features are occurs, like that cell membrane. In all the cells having a cell membrane. Then also DNA, having a DNA, and also having a cytoplasm. Then let us we discuss about the human cells. Firstly, we know that in human cells it contains the cell membrane, which is the outermost membrane which is protect to the cell. Then it contains the nucleus, also nucleolus, and into that nucleus it contains also DNA, and also contains cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means that is a thick fluid which is present in between the nucleus and cell membrane. And then also this human cell also contains the some cell organelles. That means some small organelles contains, like for example mitochondria. It is also called as the powerhouse of the cells, because it produces some ATP, which provide the some energy to the cell. So it is called as the powerhouse of the cells. Then it also contains the endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum which transport the protein to the cells, and it is also divided into it contains the two types. First one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and second one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum contains the ribosomes. So it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum having not present ribosome, so it is called a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And rough endoplasmic reticulum contains the ribosome, so it is called a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then what is function of the ribosome? Ribosomes produce the protein. Then this cell also contains the lysosome. Lysosome means these are also called as the suicide bag, because after the death of the cells they digest to the cell, so it is called as suicide bag. Then there are some functions of that human cells, like it produces the some structure. They provide the structure and support, also produces the energy, also provide the some substances like nutrients and oxygen. Also it is help in the reproduction. That means, for example, zygote ovum and spermatozoa, they are fused to each other. They produce the zygote, and further after that further replication of this zygote it also produces the new organism. These cells are also help in the reproduction. Thank you.